DIY beauty soap with rose petals. Rose soap is more beneficial than all other commercial soaps. Rose petal soap is non-toxic as a result of the absence of chemicals typically present in a commercial soap. It works great if you have dry, delicate or aging skin. It relieves edema and regulates body fluid flow and homeostasis. Roses are packed with many wonderful natural compounds and ingredients that provide rose soap with some of its astonishing health benefits. To prepare this rose soap, we need fresh rose flowers, transparent glycerin soap, rose water, and vitamin E oil. Remove the petals from the rose flowers and make them a fine paste by adding rose water to it. Cut slices of transparent soap and melt them using double boiler process and pour this solution into the rose petal mixture. Now add vitamin E oil to the mixture and mix thoroughly. Vitamin E oil works to block free radicals from the body, which play a major role in anti-aging process. It reduces wrinkles and keeps the skin youthful looking. Finally, pour this solution into a container or any special soap molds. Line a small cardboard box or candy tin or other similar containers with waxed paper. Let the soap sit for 24 hours in the freezer before removing it from the mold and slicing it. After removing the soap from the container, one can use it instead of the regular commercial soap.